Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Yes, I finally got a Boxycharm box that is called Harvest. That's the theme of this month. I love it. You can see my background, even my eye makeup screams Harvest. I love the fall. I keep saying that, but it's so true. It's sad that where I live you don't get to see the leaves changing. Well, I grew up north. I grew up in New Jersey, so I love the weather changing, so maybe that's why I still love it. I don't get to see it in Florida, but I love the fall, so anytime I could decorate about that, I will do that. So on this video we're gonna be doing the unboxing for Boxycharm. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and truly I appreciate you taking some of your time, guys, taking some of your time to watch this unboxing. So I'm gonna make it a little different. That way, if you're waiting for your box, I don't have to wait for this one. I'm going to share with you guys the variation number, but you have an idea what each variation or each category is going to bring, since that was already revealed. And you know, I love to share spoilers, so the more information I give you guys, I think the better it is. And then there's going to show all the items that are expected, and it looks like there's going to be a lot of variations for this month and reveal. Before I get started, I'm going to ask you a question about what do you guys think of palettes. We started with Boxycharm. Most of the palettes that we will receive were more like this type of tone palette, but then we started getting palettes like this one, Winky Lux. This was kitten palette, and it's so cute. It had the Boxycharm logo there. Guys, this was my go-to for a long time. I love this palette. I didn't even mind that it had a mirror. I really love this. I think we got it around this time in November. Starting to see more colors, and today I did my makeup using this palette from Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn. And look at these colors, matte shades there, and yes, it's for the fall, so I love that. So let me know in the comment section if you guys want to share, what do you guys feel like you want to see more of from Boxycharm? Do you like to see more neutral palettes or more colorful palettes? I sometimes, when I post something on Instagram, I get both comments. I get people telling me they're tired of so many colors, so many vibrant colors that they won't use, but others are like, oh, here we go, another neutral palette. I have too many neutral palettes. So let me know, prefer palette. Do you prefer neutral? Do you prefer colorful? So now guys, let's get started. So I'm gonna be showing you categories, and pictures are showing two different prices for some of them. You're gonna see the regular price is gonna be scratched off, and then on the top is gonna show a special price. That means that that product, if you want that product and you don't get it, that's gonna be open for pop-up. That means we're gonna be able to get it super affordable. Do you guys love how pop-up is gonna make it so much easier for us to shop and get a lot of items for super low price, super cheap? They're gonna be perfect for you to buy gifts for the holidays, and I love that. I love to get everything out of the way, and if you're able to get it, and with gift guides that I'm gonna be showing you pictures that Boxycharm is offering, I'm excited for that. And the good thing is that we're able to prepare a little bit ahead with some of the spoilers that we have seen. This month, this variation is number 33, and this box that I received is PR, but it's all my opinion and it's me trying it out. And I'm going to show you exactly, this one retails for $160. I have mine that is coming in the way, so I'm still waiting to see which items I did receive. So for category number one, of course, the choice item. The choice item was between three products, and I'm going to show you the pictures, so I don't want to make this video too long. And the one I selected for my box is the brow. I always like brow because now I get them in the box and I would have to buy them, so that's really something I like, and that's exactly the one I selected. But one that retails for $24, and that is, guys, Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. And this one is waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp derived cannabis seed oil. I did not know that, and I should smell it. Hopefully, I don't think you're able to smell that. Oh, but it does smell really nice. You have to really get close, like, baby, I don't know. It smells really nice. I forgot to try it. I forgot to try this mascara, but I'm excited. Let me know if you guys tried that, and let me know if you guys, what you guys think of that mascara. Variation number two, there's 4 products that are going to be there, so we're not all going to be getting the same thing. It's going to be between the toner from Dr. Brand, Peach and Lily, Volition Beauty, and Earth Harbor Naturals. And right there we see 2 brands that are new to Boxycharm, 2 we have received in the past that are pretty good. So which one of those you guys think I received on this? And it's interesting because they're all skincare. In the bottom, you see 2 items that are shown below. That might be a variation that new subscribers might receive, since we have received that in the past, and a lot of people like these products. Actually, I do. I have that Farsali. That's my go-to right now. Hyaluronic acid that I use daytime and nighttime. I received, and you're gonna be seeing me trying it out on camera, is this Peach and Lily. Look at this packaging. I love the colors. Look how this is so cute. This is a Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. I like it that it smells super soft, and I really like chamomile and even camellia. That's gonna really calm the skin, and that's perfect for people like me that have sensitive skin, even acne prone. It's good to calm the skin, and that's exactly what those ingredients are going to do. Like it. I tried that with the brush that I got from for the premium box. I did that unboxing. I'm gonna share that video here so you guys could check it out. But that brush, I tried it, and this has like it is a gel, and I tried the brush dried. I have tried that brush twice. I tried it dried on camera. I love how it felt on my skin, and I tried it wet. I feel like in wet I struggle more, so maybe dry is the way to go. And I really like, once I wash my face, it feels so soft. Not all cleansers do that, and that one I felt that even for my first time. That one retails, guys, for $28, and I'm excited for that cleanser. 3, and what's variation number 3? 7 items, guys. That's gonna be variation number 3, 7 items. You see here there's 3 palettes, 3 eyeshadow palettes, 1 face palette there. There's only 1 skincare product there, a lip oil, and a lipstick trio. So you see that's a really nice range of variation products, and I like that there's another palette shown in variation number 3. So for this box, which one I received? Do you think it was skincare? Do you think it was makeup? There's a lot of makeup, so what are the chances of me getting makeup? Pretty high. But guess what? What I got was skincare, and the one that I got is Gensa. I got this brand from Ipsy. It was a CBD oil. Now this is a polishing mask. I'm excited for this. I love the color. I love pumpkin. I love anything pumpkin, guys. It's called superfood because most of the ingredients are food items that are going to be work great for your skin, and this one has that same thing. It has a super orange essence. It has pumpkin, turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger, carrot, honey, and orange. I love that. Look at the packaging. I love how this smells, and it did feel like polishing. It feels like it has some type of texture there, like the beat. I love this. It smells like the fall. I love this, and it felt really nice on my skin. I tried this also on camera for you guys to see it, and I really like how my skin looked. It did have that soft glow. I can nourishing mask, and it's a face polish in one. It's gonna resurface and smooth skin. It's great for sensitive skin, truly is. I tried it. It's gonna have a healthy and radiant glow. I feel like it gave me that, and it's gonna minimize the appearance of pores. I'm excited I got that. Oh my god, I didn't even know the price for this, guys. This one retails for $45. Move on to variation number 4. Variation number 4, there's 4 different products there. I think they're mostly makeup. Yeah, they're mostly makeup. These are all makeup. So we have Jekka Black, which is a color corrector. We have Moda, which we haven't seen that brand in Boxycharm for a long time. Alamar Cosmetics, and we have Bodyography. So which one you think I received? So are all these on special? Only one of those I believe are on special, and the one I received retails for $15, and that is this product right here. I forgot to use it too. This was called Pero Primero Primer. I got to see a virtual makeup class that Gabby gave. I love that class. It was kind of long, but I love the tips that she gave, and she talked about this primer, and she mentioned she was working on it and she used it on that class, and I'm like, you know what, I want that primer. Just a little bit she used goes a long way, and I'm excited to get this product. I'm glad that I got it, and I'm glad that it's a variation. So if you don't want the primer, or you want to try something else, then as you see, those are the 3 products there coming to variation number 4. So now let's talk about variation number 5. And variation number 5, it looks like it's going to be 2 products, but I added a product there because that one is not confirmed yet if it's going to be on that variation. So it looks like if you're a new subscriber, maybe you might receive the Beauty Bakery palette, which I love that, guys. I was so excited when I got that palette. But the true variation for this is going to be between the Natasha Denona palette, which is peak palette, and most people should be getting it, versus the 111 Skin Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. That sounds like it's going to plump and moisturize and give you the hydration you need. So that sounds so interesting. I love this brand. So it's between a skincare and makeup. So the one I received on my box on this PR was actually the palette. This one is the Natasha Denona palette. I don't want to open it because I'm going to save it to do a giveaway. I already have this palette. I already played with it, guys. I did a video just doing a makeup look. I actually did 4 makeup looks. I did one makeup look just using 2 colors super fast. Then I just added a pop-up shimmer, and then the other one I did kind of like a cut crease, and then I added something else. So there's 4 different looks. If you guys could check out that video, it's going to be on this section. So I want to open it. I really want to save it for a giveaway for you guys to get this palette. And like I mentioned, this one retails for $48. So this, guys, conclude this video. I wanted to share with you guys my unboxing, everything that I received from my PR, but then I should do a comparison. Hopefully I get my other box soon, so I could do a video comparing PR with the items that came for me and that I selected to see which variation I received. Like I mentioned, this one retails for $100. The value of this box is $160, but the box costs $25, and I'm excited for what I've seen here. I love skincare, to be honest with you guys, but I also love a palette. I also want to always see a palette in my boxes. That's how I feel. That's how those videos that I mentioned, you guys will see my premium unboxing. Thank you guys for watching this video, for spending some of your time with me, and until the next video, bye.